What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I may try to squeeze one in Saturday night, maybe with the shorts, but I wanted to post this video for you today on Friday. It's actually Thursday, and I'm going to post this video for you. So I have 3 REITs I'm going to continue to buy. I love them. One of them just had a big dividend hike announcement. And all 3 are great dividend growth stocks. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these REITs out right now. And here we are again, American Tower Corporation. They're sitting at $164.24. I'm actually throwing in $500 today, and $17 from Kilroy Realty is also going into that with my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. And I cannot wait until I get those TSLY and NVDY passive income to buy more shares of American Tower Corporation. Average volume 2.15 million. The market cap is $76.56 billion US dollars. I have to slow down because these numbers are big. Year range 154.58 to 235.57, huge dip. Day range 162.57 to 166.52. Previous close is 165.62. I am going in on these guys even more. I'm going to show you the revenue trends and dividend history, but look at this past year. Ouch. Down 23.49%. Like I said, I am going after the real estate sector and financial sector. And this one I had to capitalize on and buy more shares. Let's jump to its revenue real quick. FFO is fine. Let's jump to the revenue and dividend history. I just want to show you the trends if you're new. And again, before I even go over the revenue trends, FFO and AFFO, just remember FFO, biggest indicator with real estate investment trust. PE ratio, who cares? FFO, that's one of the biggest indicators to see how things are going. FFO is good, goes up, you're in good shape with dividend growth usually. 2016, this is annually in millions US dollars. And do not forget with REITs, 90% of what they make go back to investors. But with taxing and getting taxed, you have to report that as regular income. So if I make $500 in American Tower, which would be beautiful, I have to report that as $500 worth in income. So I don't get a dividend tax break. 2016, $5,785. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2017, $6,663. 2018, $7,440. 2019, $7,580, 2020, $8,041, 2021, $9,356, and 2022, $10,711. So the revenue is beautiful. Let's jump to the dividend history. So check out this dividend growth. They're a quarterly dividend stock. 2016, 53 cents to 55 cents. 2017, 58 cents, 62 cents. To 64 cents. We're still in 2017, 66 cents, 2018, 70 cents, 75 cents, 77 to 79 cents, 2019, 84 cents to 90 cents to 92 cents to 95 cents. Almost every quarter they're hiking their dividend, which is beautiful. 2020, 101, 108, 110, 114. And then in 2021, 121, 124, 127, 131. 2022, 139, 140, 143, 147. 2023, they were stuck in 2 quarters, 156, but still a hike. Then in July, 157 and 162, which is the payable date is on 10/27. Payout ratio is 65%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 19. Dividend growth in 5 years, 15.10%. Beautiful. If you bought 1 share, you made $6.48 with a 3.91% dividend yield. I had to go in with these guys. There's a dip. I'm going in. And I cannot wait for my dividend stocks, my high yielders, to buy these guys. This is what's exciting. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. That next one is Vici Properties. It's less than $30. not doing hot against the S&P in the past 5 years. Was beating the S&P. Year to date, look at this, down 9.04%. Average volume 5.30 million. The market cap is 29.27 billion US dollars. Year range is 2771 to 3507. Day range is 2875 to 2932. Previous close is 2936. So again, these guys, they specialize in casino properties. They're a big landlord, and they're doing extremely well. So I did briefly go over their FFO, but I'm going to go over their revenue trends and dividend history. And let me just say this. I went over the FFO trends on a previous video. And again, I'll say Vici, but it should be Vici. I know it's with my classic Latin, kind of irks me. Maybe it's my toxic trait. I just cringe when I hear people say Vici. So 2017, annually in millions of US dollars, 187. 2018, 897. 2019, 894. 2020, 1,225. So it's still an increase during the pandemic. 2021, 1,509. And 2022, 2,600. That's a huge increase in revenue. These guys are less than $30. And I'll show you their dividend history. I'm going to start with their trends in 2018. It's quarterly dividend. Started off at 16 cents. It jumped to 26 cents, 29 cents. 2019, it started at 29 cents. Finished with 30 cents. 2020, it was a little stagnant at 30 cents. Then it jumped to 33 cents at almost near the end of 2020. Then it jumped to 36 cents at the end of 2021, and then at 2022 it jumped to 39 cents, and then it jumped to 42 cents in 2023. So their dividend growth in 5 years is 8.45%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Payout ratio 75%. Remember, FFO, worry about FFO. Okay, now if a company's paying way too much, okay, like from what they are actually worth, or for example, payout ratio that's way past what they're earning, you should be worried. But again, people freak out about payout ratios with REITs, but remember, 90% of what they make go back to investors. If you bought one share, you made 166 with a 5.65% dividend yield. FFO's fantastic. So just remember that, like, you're going to normally see a high payout ratio because they're a REIT. But again, just look at the FFO and funds for operations. That's very important. Let's jump to the final dividend stock. So we need to go over this one. This monthly dividend real estate investment trust, Agree Realty Corporation. In the past year, it's been down 18.18%. In the past 5 years, it's been down 0.24%. It was actually beating the S&P before the pandemic hit, and they're still trying to rebound, but they're still down. This is so attractive, and I have them in M1 Finance. I want their monthly dividends to start turbocharging my dividend portfolio. Sitting at $53.91, the average volume is 817.86K. Market cap is 5.19 billion US dollars. Its year range is 53.44 to 75.71. Day range is 53.78 to 54.96. Previous close is 55.01. So again, they are a rival to Realty Income. I consider them a rival to Realty Income. I'll go over their revenue trends and dividend history. FFO is very good. Now, revenue-wise, these guys have done extremely well. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2016, 91. 2017, 111. 2018, 137. 2019, 187. 2020, 248. 2021, 339. And 2022, 429. So that's a huge increase in revenue. Let's go over their dividend history. We have some excellent news. This is on TRN Newswire. Agree Realty Corporation today announced its board of directors, it's actually October 12th, that the company has declared a monthly cash dividend of 0.247 or 24, let's just say almost 25 cents per common share. The monthly dividend reflects an annualized dividend amount of $2.96. I'm just going to round it per common share, representing a 2.9 increase over the annualized dividend amount of $2.88 per common share in the fourth quarter of 2022. Dividend is payable November 14, 2023 to the stockholders of record at the close of business on October 31st, 2023. So that is extremely attractive, and that's excellent news. Now let's jump to their dividend history. What put Agree Realty Corporation on the map was they were a quarterly dividend stock. Then they changed to a monthly dividend stock. So look at this quarterly growth. 2017, 50 cents, 51 cents, 52 cents. 2018, 54 cents. This is quarterly. 2019, 56, 57, 59. And then they cracked 62 cents in 2021. Then in February, boom, they became a monthly dividend stock. So they went to 21 cents. And then at the end of, let's just say mid-May, they cracked 22 cents. Then they hit 23 cents in November. Then as a monthly dividend in November 2022, they cracked 24 cents. So they're slowly going up. Now, number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 10. Dividend growth in 5 years is 6.75%. So if you bought one share, you made $2.92 with a 5.30% dividend yield. So I own all three dividend stocks. I just want to let you know. I am buying American Tower, like I said. Hormel Foods, I'm still going to potentially buy them. Don't quote me on that yet, but I'm highly considering buying them because they're at a deal. But I really like Agree Realty Corporation as well on this list. All three of these dividend stocks I am a huge fan of, and I'm going to continue to buy shares and reinvest dividends. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. In the comments section below, tell me which one is the best deal. You guys take care and have a great Friday, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not take this in any form of financial advice. Make sure you do your due diligence in buying stocks. I own Agree Realty Corporation, American Tower, and Vici properties. If something changes, I would sell them, like a dividend cut or something like that, but I don't see that happening soon with their FFO. I'm not giving you any form of financial advice on here. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Make sure you do your due diligence buying dividend stocks, and you can lose money in your investments, and it's best to seek professional advice or financial advice from a financial advisor or somebody to give financial advice. You guys take care and have a great Friday.